Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need your Nintendo account sign-in and the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. Once ready, sign into Accounts. Nintendo. Calm and go straight to the security section. Do not leave the page. Tap two-step verification to start setup, then choose to use an Authenticator app. Make sure your phone camera and time settings are accurate. Incorrect time will break codes. This first move links your account to the app, so you can generate one-time codes. Once you see the QR code on Nintendo's site, open Google Authenticator and scan it. This binds the account. If scanning fails, tap Enter a setup key and type the code shown on screen. This is a reliable fallback. After the app adds the account, it will display a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that exact code back on Nintendo's page to verify. If verification fails, double-check your phone's clock is set to automatic time. To finish, copy or download Nintendo's backup codes and store them somewhere safe. You'll need these if you lose your phone. Once saved, log out and test signing and using a freshly generated authenticator code to confirm everything works. If you lose access later, use a recovery code to regain entry, then reconfigure the app. If codes stop working, sync your phone's clock to network time and try again. Incorrect device time is the most common issue and usually fixes it immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.